So this is a video of my 2002 Silverado. I'm a 16-year-old girl who drives it. It's pretty big. When I'm in it, I look like a freaking ant. I look so small. I'm supposed to get it lifted in 2 months for my 16th birthday. I'm pretty excited. My teacher saw me driving it one day and he's like, Taylor, who gave you this? I'm like, it was my dad's, but he gave it to me because I really like it and I've always wanted a truck, so he gave me it. God, I cleaned this thing like 2 days ago and there's like pollen all over it. It makes me mad. I hate pollen. It's stupid. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Walgreens, so bye YouTube.